If you've got a sunny courtyard or a balcony, then yes, you can have an abundant veggie harvest. But there are a few tips that you need to know, so listen up. Now the 3 key ingredients you'll need are, of course, a planter that's suitable for the plants. Here I've gone for a larger tub because my crops are larger, but you could get away with something shallower if you were planting things like lettuce. Secondly, you'll need some top quality potting mix, and you want the stuff that's really free draining but also rich in nutrients. Look for the red ticks of quality. And thirdly, you want to choose the right plants for your pot. These 3 are perfect because they're compact growers, but they produce big harvests. Position your potted veggies in a spot that gets at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day for the happiest cool season veg. Keep the tag so you remember what's what, and a regular dose of liquid fertiliser throughout the season will help keep them growing well. Now it'll be 8 to 10 weeks before we can harvest the cauliflower, but in the meantime we can pick kale leaves as we need them. And the broccoli bambino, once its main head has been harvested, will send up lots of side shoots for an even bigger harvest.